Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1972 Buick Skylark GS replica. Just an absolutely fantastic vehicle here. Paint is in excellent condition. The underside of the vehicle is in fabulous condition. Interior is in excellent condition. You can see the engine bay here. We'll start off with this 455 V8. Absolutely fantastic. It is factory AC car. You will see it does have power brakes, power steering. Just a beautiful vehicle. But as we go through this vehicle, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. But not going to go through the entire inventory with you. You can visit the website at Classic Cars of Sarasota if you'd like to see something in more detail that you get a glimpse of on the video here. As I mentioned, classiccarsofsarasota.com. And we do have about 80% domestic classic cars. The other 20% are European, luxury, and or exotic. But back to this beautiful 72 Buick Skylark GS Tribute with the Stage 1. Again, if you're not in Florida, don't hesitate to still give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit the website at Classic Cars of Sarasota, as we can get you a dream car wherever you happen to be in the world. We are a full service dealership where we will help you with shipping, manage that shipping process. Last year we shipped to 19 different US states and about 9 countries around the world. If you would like to finance a car or have finance needs, we can certainly help you there as well. As I mentioned, we do have a finance tab on the website, and we use several classic car lenders and some late model lenders to get you financing. Again, just a beautiful car here. The chrome's in excellent condition. See the dual exhaust. I did skim by the rally wheels, the white raised lettering on these BF Goodrich tires. Again, as I mentioned, the paint's in excellent condition. Just a beautiful vehicle here. The 455 does have a turbo 400 transmission, as I mentioned, factory AC, GS Stage 1 replica. Black bucket seats, center console. You see the horseshoe shifter. Again, just a very, very well done vehicle. If we didn't tell you it was a Tribute, most probably wouldn't even know. It's done very, very well. You can take it to a show, out for date night. As you hear, doors close very well. Just to show you that it is a cold start, we'll go ahead and grab the headers here. Sorry for the... and then show you the interior as well. Again, we do have more pictures online, so if I'm going fast with the camera or it is dark and you can't see a certain area, please visit the website. It does have an aftermarket radio, some odometer gauges. Let's go ahead and shut the door so we don't have that buzzer going here. Up here. Again, if you are interested, please visit the website classiccarsofsarasota.com for more information, or you can give us a call 941-355-1955. Again, beautiful interior, bucket seats. It is cold, sat overnight, so it warmed up a little bit here. This big 455 needs to warm up. Take you back and hear the exhaust. No smoke, no condensation or anything coming out. Exhaust sounds fantastic. The late 60s, early 70s muscle cars, this is it. Engine sounds very nice. As I mentioned earlier, it does have the factory AC, power brakes, power steering, the big 455 GS Stage 1. It's a beautiful vehicle here. Rev it up just a little bit. Again, sounds good. The car looks excellent. Again, very, very well done build here. 1972 Buick Skylark GS replica. If you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website classiccarsofsarasota.com. Shut it down here. Again, just a really nice vehicle. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, give us a call. We appreciate you joining in. Thank you for your time. If you want to see future updates of additional cars or more photos and videos of this vehicle, please subscribe below, and thank you very much.